What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be talking about Clickbank for beginners and how to make your first $200 and beyond. So I'm going to be talking about the exact method I use to choose Clickbank products and promote them, and what traffic source I use to promote products, and the exact methods I use step by step. So hopefully you guys could go ahead and take some of these tips and implement them into your business. All right, guys. So my name is Marissa Romero, and if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. I'm assuming you're here just because you want a little bit of help with Clickbank and getting your affiliate marketing business up and going. On this channel, I talk about that all the time. I post consistently, most of the time daily, so if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for content just like this, and let me know in the comments what you would want to have on this channel. All right, guys. So, and just a little background about myself. Today's like May 19th. I'm actually in Singapore. I'm at the airport in Singapore. The airport here is pretty much the nicest airport in the world, in my opinion. It's got everything you need, from like sleeping lounges to movie theaters to like this sun garden thing. It's so crazy, and it's super clean. You can give feedback on everything. Okay, that was off topic. Back to Clickbank. So anyways, guys, if you're returning to the channel, I really appreciate your support. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on today's lesson in Clickbank for beginners. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and switch my screen to Clickbank. So number one thing is, if you haven't created an account, it's super easy. All you have to do is come here, click create account, and the sign up process is very, very easy. Now I'll say one thing, that Clickbank, besides Amazon affiliates, in my opinion, is just the number one affiliate program or affiliate marketplace out there besides Amazon. I mean, it's been around for 2 decades. They do billions of sales every single year. So everything you put in here is well trusted, and you don't have to worry. All right. So all right, now let's go. After you create an account, you'll want to go to the Clickbank Marketplace. So on the home screen, just click on Affiliate Marketplace, and it brings you to here. So as you can see, whatever niche you're thinking about doing in affiliate marketing, they have it here. So from arts and entertainment, all the way down to travel. Some of my favorite categories, of course, are, let's see, obviously I like e-business and marketing. What else do I like? Health and fitness. I like travel, and I like a little bit of self-help, because in self-help you have like motivation, law of attraction type stuff. So here's what I would do first, guys. All right, so what I would do is I would pick a niche. So let's pick health and fitness. Okay. So what I would do is I would come to sort by, and I would pick gravity first. And the reason I pick gravity is because it is a super important component, because it tells you how popular the product is. Okay, so 187.27 is a very good gravity score. So what I like to do is filter by at least a gravity score of 30 or higher. So click enter, and then you'll see all the ones that pop up that meet your criteria. So let's see, the red tea detox, unlock your hip flexors, lean belly breakthrough. All right, and there's all kinds of cool stuff here. Now let's just kind of focus in on one. I like to have a price point of at least $25 on the front end, because a lot of these products have what they call upsells. So if someone goes through and buys one of these Clickbank products, there's usually a higher ticket upsell product after that. Maybe it's $497, maybe it's $1,000, and you would get another commission off of that. So let's see here. Let's just pick one of the top ones. Let's go with lean belly breakthrough. So here's what I would do. After I pick a niche, I would consider, let's say, 10 products. I would go through, consider 10 products in this niche that meet your criteria, and then I would go through and look at all the sales pages. So let's start with this one. Let's look at this sales page, and then after that we're going to look at the affiliate page so I can give you some tips on that. Okay, so let's listen to a little bit. Oops.
You never look at me anymore. Don't you find me attractive?
Of course I still think you're pretty, but why can't you just lose some weight?
You're one to talk. Your stomach is too big, and you know you have diabetes and heart disease.
I just wish you'd try. I miss the way you used to look.
The words they spoke to each other were like little daggers, leaving wounds in their marriage that bleed and never heal.
Okay, so one thing that I love about this sales page is not only does it hit on, what people are struggling with, but it hits on pain points, all right? So a lot of people are, sometimes, after people get married, they kind of lose themselves and let themselves go and sometimes gain a couple pounds. In this sales video, this is what we call a video sales letter, brings out the pain points in people's problems. So they're talking about, a married couple who,
that their marriage may be over and their best days were behind them. They decided to take one last vacation together.
Yeah, so it's storytelling, it's hitting on pain points because this couple, they're not, they need to rekindle their flame because they both have gained a little bit of weight in the belly area, and they're trying to figure out if they can save their marriage. So I can tell that this is a really great sales video. I'm not going to watch it all. You guys can come back and watch it later. Oh yeah, this is another really good feature when they have a pop-up that when you try to exit the page, this pop-up tells you like, hey, wait, just try it out for $1, or wait, before you go, read more about this, and that. So yes, tell me more. Let's see what happens. It probably goes to, oh God, I'm thinking I'm having a heart attack, this, and that. So yeah, this is a really, really, really good sales page because when you have something like this, a pop-up that leads to either an opt-in or another piece of the sales page, those are usually convert very, very, very high. All right, so let's take a look at the affiliate page for Lean Belly Breakthrough. Attention affiliates, eBody Health and Lean Belly have zero spam policy, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Earn 75% commission on every single sale generated from your affiliate link. That, my friends, is a extremely good percentage of commission on the front end. Usually it's around 50%. Anything over 50% is really good. All right, so you want to aim for between 30 to 75% of commission on these products. Okay, so here's how to get started. They talk about how to promote. Here's what to do next. They have promo materials, which is excellent. All right, let's see if they have email swipes. They give you your affiliate links. Okay, banners, 2-minute doctor. Okay, cool. So they give you all these tools, like if you're doing banner ads, if you're doing paid traffic. This is a little advanced and you don't need to do paid traffic, but this is all really good. So once you sign up, I'm pretty sure they'll probably give you email swipes too. And what an email swipe is basically once somebody opts into your capture page or the way you promote this tool, then you can create an email follow-up sequence, like day 1, it sends them this, day 2, it sends them this email, day 3, and so on. And they'll give you swipes to use and stuff like that. So affiliate links, banners, e-covers, getting started. So this is pretty cool. This type of product would be one I would consider. So what I would do is go through and pick 10 products to evaluate, just like I did, narrow it down to 5, look at the sales pages and look at the affiliate promo tools and see which ones resonates with you the most. Then what you can do is pick 2 of those products and just kind of start and test it out and promote it and see what happens. Oh, one other thing, guys, I almost forgot, is what I would do is I would even purchase the product if you like it that much, okay? Because most of the time, a lot of these Clickbank offers are usually pretty reasonable, anywhere from $20 to like $50. So if you can spare that amount of money to buy the product, go through the product, go in the back office, go through the product videos, the product PDFs, and apply the product to yourself. And if you get results with it, then you can use those results as leverage when you're promoting your Clickbank product. Okay, and the other thing too, it's really no stress to you, because if you go through, buy the product, and see that the product is trash, like it's just just these lame ebooks and there's really no value, and it's kind of stuff that maybe most of it you already knew, or you don't think you could really apply too many new things with whatever problem you're trying to solve or goal you're trying to hit, then you could always get your money back from Clickbank or the vendor from whoever's selling it. Usually they always have a money back guarantee, and if they don't have a money back guarantee, that's usually not good either. So anyway, all right, so what I'm going to talk about now is how you can promote these products and what traffic source I recommend as number one. So I'm going to switch back to my screen, and I am going to go to YouTube, because YouTube is my number one traffic source forever and a day for looking up, or for driving traffic, highly targeted leads to your products, not just Clickbank products. All right, so when I'm talking about Clickbank product, or when I'm talking about Lean Belly Breakthrough and what problems it solves, I'm thinking about what would people be searching to find this product. So the first thing that comes to my mind is how to lose belly fat. Okay, and look at all of these keywords. How to lose belly fat, how to lose belly fat in 1 week, how to lose belly fat exercises. Oh my gosh, it's like a gold mine of keywords. And so what I would do is write all these down. I would open up a new Google Doc, and I would write down all these keywords. So I come here to my Google Drive, just create new. Oh, it looks like they updated the look of Google Drive. And I would just put in like keywords for belly fat. And then I would come here and copy and paste all of them and put them in here. And what I would do is create pieces of content around all of them. So let's go back. How to lose belly fat in 1 week. Copy and paste that. And so you're going to want to try it in long term, rank for these videos. Now, I do have a course that goes over this topic more in depth, with driving traffic and ranking for YouTube videos and all that stuff. So if you're interested, it's a free video series. Just click the first link in the description and it'll take you there. So how to lose belly fat. Let's look at how to lose belly fat exercises. I would do this. All right, so hopefully if you are in the weight loss niche, you're comfortable with maybe at least getting on camera and talking about it. And another thing that would be cool is actually demonstrating some of these things, because people love that in the weight loss niche. How to lose belly fat overnight. Okay, so I would compile all the keywords possible, and I would make content around these keywords. So how-to videos, maybe case study videos, demonstration videos, review videos, whatever it is. All right, so and what you would do when you do this is some of the things that are important when you're creating a video is the title. You want it to be a long tail keyword, meaning 3 to 4 words or longer. You want to have the link to your affiliate promotion in the description. I like to put it first line or second line, okay? And you want in the description, this is an excellent example, you want to talk about what you're talking about in your video. So you actually want to type it out, because people appreciate that if for some reason they can't listen to your video. All right, so this is how I would do it. Also, when you're uploading your video, you want to use these keywords as tags. When you're uploading your YouTube video, you'll know what I mean. When you go to upload it, there's an area where you can put in keywords, or they're called tags. Okay, guys, so what else did I want to mention? Oh yeah, that's the other thing I wanted to mention, is you don't want to just send people straight to the affiliate link, you want to send them to a capture page. So a capture page meaning a page where someone can. So
Hi there. If you
okay, so that's okay. Look, this is a ClickBank product. Oh my God, this is a perfect example. Look, okay, so this video is how to lose belly fat overnight. See, that's a keyword. Yes. All right. So here they go. They have the ClickBank affiliate link right here, so people can click straight to it, and theirs goes straight to the video sales letter. I wouldn't do it like this. I would set up a capture page first. But when you have a channel this big, 15,000 subs, and you're getting 90,000 views, that's pretty sweet. I mean, that's, if you think about 90,000 customers, even 40,000 customers paying, how much is this product? I don't know, 40 bucks. That is crazy. That's a lot of money on this one product, okay? So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. This is how I do my research. This is how I pick my ClickBank products, and this is how I drive traffic to my ClickBank products. Again, just stick with it, be consistent, build content around one niche. You can build multiple YouTube channels around, health, wealth, fitness, finance. So just, kind of pick one, stick with it, and, drive that YouTube traffic to your products, because you will be seeing results. All right, guys. So again, please check out the resources in my description to get more information about all this. And I also have my #1 recommended system online, where if you want to build a side income or full-time income online, it's my #1 recommendation on how to do that. That'll be in the second link in the description. And that's it, guys. I will see you on the next video, and take care until then.